embarking on a welding journey but unsure of the right tools. Whether you're enrolled in a welding training program or starting as a hobbyist at home, selecting the right welding equipment is crucial for producing clean, strong welds. As one of your larger purchases, it's important to make an informed decision. Let's explore some key considerations and steps to choose the best welder for your needs, focusing on options ideal for beginners. If you are running out of time and want to know what the best welder for beginners is, our list below breaks it down in short form. There are many products available to choose the best welders for beginners, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best welders for beginners from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. DecoPro MMA Welder. The DecoPro MMA Welder stands out for its potent 200 capacity, making it adept at handling a wide range of welding tasks. Its portability and adaptability to dual voltage are notable, enhancing its utility in various settings. The DecoPro MMA Welder is ideal for those who primarily focus on stick welding and require a robust, versatile machine that's easy to move around. Number 4. Millermatic 211 MIG Welder for 120-240 Vi power sources. This Millermatic 211 MIG Welder with advanced auto set 907614 is a powerful and user-friendly welding machine. It offers excellent performance with its advanced auto set feature, ensuring precise welding results. The welds produced are of high quality, whether you are working with thin metals or thicker materials. The smooth arc strike and control make it easy to use for beginners and experienced welders alike. The thermal overload protection adds to the safety features of this welder, making it a reliable choice for various welding applications. In conclusion, the Millermatic 211 MIG Welder is a top contender for the title of the best welder for beginners. With its outstanding performance, user-friendly features, and precise welding capabilities, this welder is a valuable addition to any workshop. Whether you are working on thin metals or thicker materials, this welder delivers exceptional results with ease and precision. Number 3. Lincoln Electric Power MIG 211E MIG Welder 6080 1. The Lincoln Electric Power MIG 211E MIG Welder 6080 1 is the perfect choice for beginners looking to venture into welding. With its simple user interface featuring a 7-segment display and basic knob controls, this welder is easy to use and understand, making it ideal for those new to the craft. The Lincoln Electric Power MIG 211 MIG Welder 6080 1 delivers exceptional performance and quality. With its versatile process capabilities, including MIG, flux cord, and spool gun options, this welder adapts to various welding needs. In conclusion, the Lincoln Electric Power MIG 211E MIG Welder 6080 1 is a top contender for the best welder for beginners. This Lincoln Electric welder stands out for its user-friendly design, versatile capabilities, and portability, making it an excellent choice for beginners entering the welding realm. With a focus on ease of use and reliable performance, this welder offers a valuable tool for aspiring welders to explore and practice their craft. Number 2. Hobart 500554 Handler 190 MIG Welder 230 voltage. The Hobart 500554 Handler 190 MIG Welder 230 voltage is a reliable and versatile welding machine designed to meet the needs of both beginner and seasoned welders. With its exceptional features and convenient setup, this welder offers ease of use and high-quality performance. Whether you're working on hobby projects or professional tasks, The Hobart 500554 Handler 190 is a valuable addition to any workshop or garage. The Hobart 500554 Handler 190 MIG Welder 230 voltage has received high praise from users for its exceptional welding capabilities and ease of use. Whether you're welding thick steel or delicate materials, the Hobart 500554 Handler 190 provides the power and precision you need to tackle any project with confidence. The Hobart 500554 Handler 190 MIG Welder 230 voltage is a powerhouse welding machine that combines ease of use with professional-grade performance. From its preset voltage settings to thermal overload protection, this welder is designed to meet the needs of a wide range of welding projects. Whether you're an amateur welder starting out or a seasoned pro looking for a reliable tool, the Hobart 500554 Handler 190 is a solid investment in your workshop. Number 1. Yes Welder Digital MIG 205Ds. Some decades ago, I used a cheap stick welder on cars. Now, with the 13.5 amp FCOW or MIG welder, it is much easier on thin metal. The machine is much smaller and not as heavy, which I also appreciate. The Yes Welder Digital MIG 205s is a versatile welding machine that caters to beginners and experienced welders alike. Its compact size, ease of use, and multifunctionality make it a valuable addition to any workshop. The machine's performance on various welding tasks, including FSCOW, MIG, and stick welding, has been commendable. With features like IGBET inverter technology and synergic control, users can achieve precise welds with stability and reliability. Additionally, the safety measures integrated into the machine ensure secure welding operations. The Yes Welder Digital MIG 205s offers a comprehensive solution for welding needs, especially for beginners and hobbyists. Its diverse capabilities, ease of use, and safety features make it a valuable tool for a range of welding projects. The Yes Welder Digital MIG 205s stands out as a compact and versatile welding machine suitable for beginners. With features like IGBET inverter technology, synergic control, and multiple welding functions, this machine offers ease of use and reliable performance. Its safety mechanisms and compatibility with various welding techniques make it an excellent choice for DIY projects and hobby welding tasks. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product's price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.